Daily word list. Sensitive, adjective.
Delicate, tactful, careful, thoughtful.
Bill, noun.
A bill is a draft statute that becomes law after it is passed by both the Houses of Parliament and assented to by the President. All legislative proposals are brought before Parliament in the forms of bills.
Trafficking, noun.
The activity of buying and selling goods/animals/people illegally, illegal/illicit, trading, dealing.
Wholesome, adjective.
Righteous, upright, right-minded, proper, correct, moral, ethical.
Cognizant, adjective.
Aware, well-informed about, conscious, familiar with.
Causative, adjective.
Causing something, responsible, contributive, deciding.
Pernicious, adjective.
Harmful, damaging, destructive.
Offense, noun.
Crime, illegal/unlawful act, misdeed, wrongdoing.
Zero tolerance, noun.
A complete refusal to accept certain behavior.
Sledgehammer, noun.
Powerful, forceful, ruthless, insensitive, force/tool.
Draft Trafficking in Persons, Prevention, Care and Rehabilitation, Bill, 2021, noun.
A bill to prevent and counter trafficking in persons, especially women and children, to provide for care, protection, and rehabilitation to the victims, while respecting their rights, and creating a supportive legal, economic and social environment for them, and also to ensure prosecution of offenders, and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto.
Lack, verb.
Be without, not have enough of, be deprived of.
Nuance, noun.
Fine distinction, subtle difference/subtlety/nicety, subtle variation.
Well-intentioned, adjective.
Having good intentions, good-natured, caring.
Stamp out, phrasal verb.
To stop, to put an end to get rid of something, end, finish, eliminate, eradicate.
Exploitative, adjective.
Unprincipled, unethical, immoral, dishonest, fraudulent.
Counter, verb.
Put up a fight against, oppose, resist, tackle, confront.
Environment, noun.
Atmosphere, situation.
Iteration, noun.
Repetition, reiteration.
Meander, verb.
Proceed aimlessly.
Nothingness, noun.
Unimportance, insignificance, pointlessness.
The upper house, noun.
The Rajya Sabha or the Council of States is the upper house of the bicameral Parliament of India.
The lower house, noun.
The Lok Sabha or the House of the People is the lower house of the bicameral Parliament of India. Bicameral legislature/parliament means the legislature/parliament having two chambers/houses.
Notably, adverb.
Especially, particularly, strikingly, markedly.
Envisage, verb.
Expect, intend, propose, envision, contemplate.
Setting up, noun.
Establishment, organization, formation.
Provision, noun.
Clause, legal, term, stipulation, requirement, condition.
Up, adverb.
Displayed, on a publicly visible site/platform.
In the public domain, phrase.
If something, for example information, is in the public domain, people generally know about it since it is no secret.
Civil society, noun.
Civil society refers to space for collective action around shared interests, purposes, and values, generally distinct from government and commercial for-profit actors.
Activist, noun.
A person who supports a political or societal change/cause.
Overzealous, adjective.
Too zealous, excessively sincere, feeling, fervent, impassioned, passionate, enthusiastic.
Blur, verb.
Become indistinct/unclear, lessen, decrease, diminish, reduce.
Contributing, adjective.
Contributing something, causative, responsible, deciding.
Vicious, adjective.
Terrible, dreadful, awful, cruel, harsh, ruthless, merciless, heartless.
Debt, noun.
Liability, financial obligation, borrowed capital.
Miss the mark, phrase.
To fail to achieve the intended result.
Vociferous, adjective.
Vehement, vigorous, outspoken, forthright, vocal.
Hand over, phrasal verb.
Pass, assign, transfer.
National Investigation Agency, noun.
The National Investigation Agency is a central agency established by the Indian government to combat terror in India. It is functioning as the central counter-terrorism law enforcement agency in the country. The National Investigation Agency, NIA, is created following the terror attack in Mumbai on December 26, 2008. It came into being on December 31, 2008, with the passage of the NIA Act of 2008.
Stretched, adjective.
Overtaxed, strained, overworked.
Federalism/federal framework/system, noun.
A system of government in which establishments such as states or provinces share power with the national government.
Enforcement, noun.
Imposition, implementation, execution.
Out of the picture, phrase.
not involved in something.
Smack of, verb.
Suggest, hint at, have a suggestion of, give the impression of, seem like, be a sign of something, bad/unpleasant.
Consensual, adjective.
Relating to consensus/consent, in agreement with those who involved.
Commerce, noun.
Business, dealing, trade, trafficking.
Land up, phrasal verb.
End up, reach, an unwelcome situation.
Criminalize, verb.
Make something, an activity, illegal.
Victimization, noun.
An act of exploiting or victimizing someone, treat someone unfairly, exploitation, oppression.
Exploited, adjective.
Ill-treated, abused, enslaved.
The exploited, noun.
Ill-treated/abused/enslaved person.
Pornography, noun.
Obscene or indecent digital material, movies, pictures, magazines, etc., that show or describe sexual matters in order to cause sexual excitement.
Exploitation, noun.
Victimization, ill-treatment, enslavement, slavery, oppression.
Consumption, noun.
Using up, use, utilization.
Non-exploitative, adjective.
Fair, proper, correct, reasonable/acceptable.
Mandatory, adjective.
Obligatory, compulsory, binding, required, requisite, necessary, essential.
Tortuous, adjective.
Complicated, complex, indirect, lengthy.
Point to, verb.
Indicate, suggest, denote.
Aggravated, adjective.
Of an offense, severe, serious, very bad.
Flag, verb.
Indicate, identify, point out.
Scan, verb.
Study, examine, scrutinize, inspect.
In order to, phrase.
With the purpose/aim of.
Fence itself eat the crop, phrase.
Figuratively, misuse of power and authority to commit a crime.
Ghastly, adjective.
Terrible, frightful, grim, horrible.
Invoke, verb.
Induce, cause, bring out, evoke, strong emotions.
Horror, noun.
Shock, fear, worry, distress.
Employ, verb.
Use, utilize, make use of.
Horrific, adjective.
Dreadful, awful, terrible, appalling.